So what is up, y'all? Welcome back to the Old Farts Garage. So we are attempting to open up these clips so that we can get this piece off of the fender. There's one. You can see there's one clip right there. Alright. Let's see if we can get this one off here. Yeah, I know it's not my normal way of starting stuff, but hey, we're here, huh? And I don't like using my screwdrivers as chisels, but my actual chisels won't, they're too big for what we're trying to do here. In my last video, part 1, about taking the fenders off and showing you what needed to be done, I told you I needed to drill some holes to do these on, but it's actually just clips like this, and the holes are already in there, as you can see. So go ahead and pop this one out now. Luckily, it's not as hard as I was anticipating, but we're not done yet, so I don't want to jinx myself. There we go. There it is. There's that piece. I got to get it all cleaned up. I think I'm going to sandblast it. And then this rubber piece here looks like it's staples or some sort. I'm going to have to figure that one out. But there's that piece. Alright. This is the piece that I need to take out. And I don't know if I want to do the whole thing or just cut it from about here and just put. But I do need to clean this up. Drill the spot welds out of there so I can pop this out of here. Yeah. So let's go ahead and get a wire brush and take care of that. Alright. I'm just going to go ahead and hit it with some 80 grit. Shouldn't be that bad. Let's try it like that first. Yep, there they are. There's one there, one there, one there. Man, I need to close this door. There's just too much sunlight. Can't see what I'm doing. Alright. Ah, much better on the camera part. Let's see. There we go. And I can see better here too.
From the boots to the brim, we don't back down. We stand tall with that flag proud. Ain't no shame in red, wide and free. If you're looking for a fight, you found me.
Do what we got to do. Everything looks fairly good. I mean, it doesn't look like it's that bad. Well, let's get it out of there and find out first. Let's go ahead and drill this and see how much is going to come out. I know this has to come out. There. This has those clips on there too. Okay. That's going to be interesting. Alright, let me get this off. Let me start with these little, with those spot welds. Let's get those out of there. See what happens. Alright, so off camera, what I did is I went ahead and I took this piece off, which goes here, because it was also held by just a bunch of clips. Alright, so I took that piece off. It needs to have the rubber replaced also. Okay, and I also took off this piece, which goes here, and that piece usually goes onto the body, the frame there of the truck also. So, and now I got my 3/8 inch drill, because so I can knock out these spot welds, because you're not actually drilling a hole all the way through it, you're just breaking it up enough so you could pull that out of there. And after further sanding onto this, there's 8 spot welds here holding the rest of this piece. So I'm thinking, you know what, I'm just going to go ahead and pull the rest of this out of here, see what happens. Maybe if I could replace this whole thing, I would much rather do that instead of trying to sand it and save it because it's all rusted. So let's go ahead, and that way, like I said, just put the whole new piece in there. For me, it'd be better. I hate welding, but let's go ahead and see what we can do.
You found me. Got stars in my veins, stripes in my soul, bald eagle glare when I'm taking control. No handouts, we built this land with grit, stained fists, and calloused hands. That freedom ink, I bleed it bold on every dirt road and every stronghold. On the spark, I'm the flame, the damn parade. I'm Uncle Sam with the renegade blade. I'm made in the USA, where the brave still rise and the strong don't stray. From small town roots to them city blocks. We don't run, we don't punch clocks. We build, we break, we rise again.
Alright, so off camera, after all the choice words and struggle and fighting this and fighting that and everything, here's what look at this: drill bits, body hammers, cutting thing. Can't even speak anymore, I'm so over it. Anyways, these are the good parts. Okay, these are the good parts. Those are good. But here's, look at this. Had to cut that out of there. Okay, take that one there. Here's the other piece. All right, it's all rusted and all good. Again, more little pieces have to cut, okay? And then the other part. All right, so there it is. But before we put the new piece on, I gotta repair this, cut that out right there, put a patch on it. Once that gets done, we put the new piece in there like that. All right, that's what we got to do. So next on the list, get that cut out and patched up. All right.
Got stars in my veins, stripes in my soul, bald eagle glare when I'm taking control. No handouts, we built this land with grit, stained fists, and calloused hands. That freedom ink, I bleed it bold on every dirt road and every stronghold. I'm the spark, I'm the flame, the damn parade. I'm Uncle Sam with the renegade blade. I'm made in the USA where the brave still rise and the strong don't stray from small town roots to them city blocks. We don't run, we don't punch clocks. We build, we break, we rise again with a Bible, a badge, and a ballpoint pen. Yeah, I'm loud, I'm proud, I was forged this way.
Well, obviously, I forgot to turn the camera on when I was cutting this out. All right. So there's the piece that we cut out. You can see all the rust on it and everything. You know, all that, how it's all rusted out. So we're going to go ahead and trace us a little piece here, cut it out, and try to get it to shape inside there.
Got stars in my veins, stripes in my soul, bald eagle glare when I'm taking control. No handouts, we built this land with grit, stained fists, and calloused hands. That freedom ink, I bleed it bold on every dirt road and every stronghold. I'm the spark, I'm the flame, the damn parade. I'm Uncle Sam with the renegade blade. I'm made. Got stars in my veins, stripes in my soul, bald eagle glare when I'm taking control. No handouts, we built this land with grit, stained fists, and calloused hands. That freedom ink, I bleed it bold on every dirt road and every stronghold. I'm the spark, I'm the flame, the damn parade. I'm Uncle Sam with the renegade blade. I'm made.
Well, shoot. Well, that's it for today's video. This will be part 2 of working on the fenders. And it's not the greatest patchwork and patch job done, but it'll do. Let me show you what we got. Well, here it is. Not the best, but what can you do with a $100 Harbor Freight welder? I'll just go ahead and smooth it out some more. I'll tap out this little dent right here, and that some of that Duraglass body filler, that'll take care of it, no problem. I'll just flip it over, sand the bottom side of it, get it nice and smooth and on metal, put some Duraglass on it on both sides, and we'll call it good. So, and you can see my table, I got all this crap there trying to fix a little patch of hole, but hey, I did it, and there it is. So till next video, y'all have a great day and God bless.